Check those out. Salsa jalapeno ghosts. Fog is crazy here today. Coming up to the field. Check that out. Sounds good. This is the tree I go to all the time to think. It's a thinking tree. Check out that field. All right, we're gonna have Nestor updates coming up very soon. Just wanted to show you guys this field, Northeast Pennsylvania, Luzerne County. I'm gonna get the drone out here, get some shots. Hopefully this comes out in 4K for you guys though. It's beautiful out. It's not that cold. Halloween. Going to Reaper's Revenge tonight. Woohoo! If you guys don't know what that is, look it up. It's amazing. All right, over and out. Outside weather, Northeast PA. Bye-bye.